Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and we want to look at some retail therapy today. Pristine. I've loved these guys for so long. It's always nice to get one of these bags when you go to the Dollarama. Bags that get you in tune with legally purchased. I always love to... These cards have been legally purchased. I mean, how else do you purchase them? Are there other ways? Are there other ways to purchase cards? Why do they put that on all of their bags? I have so many questions. But anyways, I feel like when I pop these, I get the feeling of, being back in the day. But one thing that's really remarkable about all this is I think I bought 10 packs and I have 3 signed cards. And that seems particularly remarkable. I mean, back in the day, it was a really big deal to get a signed card. It meant you had to invest time and money into it, into getting that signature. All right, let's open up the repack packs. First 5-card pack. Man, I don't know anything about any of these guys, but I can tell you for one thing. When I take a look at one of these cards with a big yellow border, it reminds me of vacationing in the United States, sitting in the back seat of the car, little Honda Accord. This one reminds me of 1990 when I was collecting G.I. Joes. My brother had just gotten out of G.I. Joes. I think he was looking for this new thing called Whammons and Love. Interesting card, though, the way it's all black around. Pinnacle. Yeah. Oh, and then here we got one for more of the what's going on these days. Oh, no, not that one. Oh, it was that one. They got all this shiny. We love the shiny, right? And the next pack that we have is the 4 with 1 guaranteed rookie. I guess that's this buddy up here. This guy's name's almost just like mine. I frickin' love it. Are the Angels still around? I don't recognize that ball anymore. Now, cards like this remind me of my babysitters upstairs going through what little they had. In the 80s, it was like you didn't have a lot, and what you had, you shared. And these days, we have so much of everything, right? Next up, we got a 5-card pack. All I really know about this one is this card. Okay, so everyone loves Upper Deck. 92, I was still into that. Holy Christ, I was a lot older before I realized how much power was behind that throw in Major League Baseball. And I love these cards, that heritage cards that look like they're older cards. They're actually newer cards, but they just kind of take you back, and it's nice to go back sometimes, right? There's a little bit of escapism in cards, right? Check this out. I got a signature card in with the bunch that was supposed to just have a rookie. Nice. That's something. Guaranteed 1 rookie. All I can tell you for sure is this one reminds me of a set of cards I didn't even discover my brother had until one of the packs spilled out over the floor in my dusty attic. I love the wood feel of it. Calls back to the 70s, even though it was from the 80s. I legitimately enjoy these reflective ones. They just feel nice. That's interesting. A holiday special. Baseball's not much of a Christmas sport, though, is it? And if you're in LA, everything's a summer sport. And we got a bunch of... Oh, I'm gonna have to complain now. Oh, no, my life is so hard. Legit, I wonder how that happened. Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because I got a shiny one. Ooh, yes. All right, more Christmas cards. What's up with the Christmas cards? This guy looks pretty cool. I bet he touches a lot of boob. Here we have a pictures 4-pack. I love the borders. Another 5 cards. Dude, I forgot all about these ones. You gotta be careful opening these things up. I think I actually messed them up by just cracking them open instead of like cutting them open. 20 cards. I bet that guy touches a lot of boob. Yeah. Ladies like guys with long hair. 2020, it's interesting how all the cards kind of seem to go over to be tops cards. Oh, wow, check it out, guys. OPG Premier. My brother had a stack of these. I remember him going through these quite a bit. Is that one? Yeah, that'll be the rookie card right there. No, wait. No, that's not the rookie. Wait. Career? Wait. There's supposed to be a rookie. Who's the rookie? Scott Bales. Isn't he still good? It's not him. This is half the fun. You'll know if it's a rookie, kids, because it'll only have like one line. Right? Totals. No, it's got the totals, so it's just totaling it all up, right? 7 years. Oh, I can't even tell. Okay, so kids, it used to be you could flip the card over, and if they had one line, then that's what it meant. Maybe this is it. Maybe that is actually. What I would recommend for these cards is if you have a baseball family, you go ahead and you buy a bunch of these. You let the kids open them up, and then you tell them stories about the folks you see. And little things like when the batting helmet started carrying that jaw piece, for example. I should look it up. I wonder if there's a story. I mean, I know most people in baseball don't fear taking a ball to the face if they need to, but I wonder if something happened to someone to set a standard. Wasn't there like a Dale Earnhardt incident? Lastly here, Massey Sasser. Every time I see these cards, I'm like, yeah, okay, these were before me. After this, I got into Ninja Turtles 1989. Yeah, that makes sense. That looks very 1989. Eating his chaw there. But I gotta say, out of all this stuff, what I am definitely happiest with, and the fact I only spent like $40. I got a signed card, and I opened it on camera. Now, it just gives me a nice feel. It's nice to think about. And in another pack, I got another signed card. Oh, and they also give you lots of protective yada yada yadas, right? All fun for the whole family, right? Yeah. And what I'd like to say anyone buying these cards is they definitely have issues. They have bends. This is collections. Not all of them have been inspected, but I have a feeling that the good ones have, more or less. They're not trying to sell you the nicest cards ever, but, like, let's face it, how many of these is your kid legitimately going to put in the spokes of his bike? Be honest. If you say none, then I think that means that you're a bad caregiver. Check it out. From the hockey packs, I legitimately pulled a Gretzky, but he's not particularly rare. People just want him. So now that I have that card, its future is probably just going to be forgotten in a pile somewhere. But what I think would be more meaningful is if I put that card on a bike with a clothespin and let my kid tear ass down the way, because he still doesn't know the awesome noise that makes. You'll make a video about it. And you know what? These shiny cards, I bet they'd make an even awesomer noise. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Like, sub, all that fun stuff. If you can help me out. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.